Welcome to Down-to-Earth Homesteading, the ultimate destination for off-grid homesteading and self-sufficiency enthusiasts. Are you tired of the hustle and bustle of city life? Do you yearn for a simpler, more sustainable way of living? Well, you've come to the right place. At Down-to-Earth Homesteading, we're on a journey to embrace the off-grid lifestyle and achieve self-sufficiency. Our channel is a haven for those seeking inspiration, knowledge, and a community of like-minded individuals passionate about living closer to nature. Explore the joys of cultivating your own food, learn the secrets of building your dream off-grid homestead, discover sustainable living tips for a stress-free life, dive into DIY projects that will make your homestead truly unique. But wait, there's more? Our channel isn't just about tutorials and how-tos. It's about building a community, sharing experiences, and supporting each other on this incredible journey. Join our growing family of homesteaders and self-sufficiency enthusiasts from around the world. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting out, everyone is welcome here. Ready to transform your life and embark on the adventure of a lifetime? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a moment of inspiration, education, and community here at Down-to-Earth Homesteading. Welcome to the Down-to-Earth Homesteading family, where off-grid dreams come to life. Subscribe now and let the journey begin.